Good morning, guys. We've been at our new place for about 2 weeks now, and I'm going to be putting up some decor haul videos from HomeGoods, Amazon, and a couple other places. We need some coffee to get started here first while I unpack and unwrap and unbox all these goodies. It's mainly just organization, not so much decor. Here we have some really pretty hangers. I couldn't pass on these. Those aren't from Amazon. I believe they're from HomeGoods. But with this first package, I'm unboxing a pots and pans organizer. This is going to be for my spice drawer. Clear containers that are going to sit in the drawer and hold all the labeled spice bottles that you'll see soon. This is a knife holder or whatever you call it. It can sit in a drawer or it can sit on your countertop. These I love so much. These gold salt and pepper shakers. They're pretty heavy. They're from Amazon. I thought they were going to be kind of, lighter and I guess cheap quality. Not cheap quality, but you know what I'm saying. This is really cool. It really saved a lot of room. Pots and pans organizer. It's like a tier that you'll put in your counter drawer space. It came in handy. I really do like it. And here we got, what do we have? It took a lot of muscle arm strength to open all these boxes, guys. I had a pump after this. So I believe this is, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so it's just little clear organizer for your drawers, for your bathroom, for your kitchen. This is a tea bag organizer. I really like that. I included that in my coffee bar drawer area. And then we have some cabinet, kitchen cabinet liner, because you want to protect your cabinets, obviously, and your drawers. And then I believe these are the spice containers. Yeah, they come with a bamboo wooden lid, and all the labels for all different spices. I'm sure you guys have seen, obviously, this setup all over social media. Super cute. I like pretty things. I know it's not necessary to take things out of their original packaging and put it in a different bottle, but I recycle and it's aesthetic and I like it. It's cute. It makes me happy, whatever. I'm pretty much going to take everything out of its original packaging and put it in something cute, period. Like, just that's how I roll. All right, more goodies here. This is for the laundry room. This is where I'm going to be putting some dryer sheets. Super cute container, dryer sheets. I have a couple other containers where it's going to hold the detergent, the softener, the scent beads, the pods, all that stuff, just nicely organized on the top shelf in my laundry room. You have, you can select what label you want to put on here, whether it's bath bombs. It comes with a lot of different labels, which I wasn't expecting. I'm like, oh wow, yeah, I can use this container for that too. All right, and then we have, what do we have? Okay, so this is just a little rug bathroom set. I like the color. They're actually really comfortable on the feet too. And these are the container bottles where the detergent, the softener, and the scent beads will go. You guys will be able to see the final setup here. I think I already even posted a video, a short, so you guys can look back at that. These are the labels, super cute. I also make luxury candles, hand make, and I make my own labels, and I just think it's really cute. These are some battery powered gold colored lamps that'll go above or next to our bed. Thanks for watching, guys.